What's going on, guys? DoobieRD here, back with another video. And finally, I know people have been asking for the benchmarks for the $1,400 gaming PC that I made for my friend in the month of November. Finally, I've gotten the chance to connect with you. Thank you for bearing with me, and let's get on to these benchmarks. For the specs, we went with the i7 6700K base clock overclock to 4.6 gigahertz. For the graphics card, we went with a GTX 1070 Asus Strix version, and there is no overclocking to that. So let's get right on to the benchmarks. Starting with Cinebench OpenGL, we got a score of 150.64 frames per second. For our CPU, we got a score of 934. Now for Cinebench 4, we got a single core score of 5360, which is pretty good. And our multi-core score of 1741, which is just amazing and great for video editing. So for the gaming benchmarks, since I personally don't game too much, I don't have that many games to show you guys, but I do have some. So what I've selected is Overwatch, Doom, and Rocket League. Everybody loves Rocket League. So let's get right on to it. Well, that's it for the benchmark, guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. As the channel grows, the thumbs up really help. And also, I'm sorry it took so long, but I got it through. I had some schoolwork. I am on a break, so hopefully I can record some more videos for you guys. Also, don't forget that all the links will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.